Welcome back to AI Today, your daily dose of the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence. I'm Angel, and today we're diving into some groundbreaking updates that are shaping the future of AI. Let's get started. First up, we have some exciting news on generative AI. Recent benchmarks reveal that AI systems are now outperforming humans in a variety of basic tasks. This milestone has prompted experts to call for new evaluation metrics to accurately measure AI capabilities. The progress in generative AI signifies the rapid advancements we are witnessing and the transformative potential of these technologies. Next, let's talk about the latest Stanford AI Index report for 2024. The report shows that the United States is leading the world in releasing foundational AI models and achieving major technical advancements. Interestingly, the majority of new AI PhDs in North America are heading into industry jobs, highlighting the growing importance and investment in AI research and applications. AI isn't just making waves in academia, it's also revolutionizing the business world. A recent McKinsey survey found that AI implementations are leading to significant cost reductions and revenue increases for many companies. These advancements are not only boosting efficiency, but also enhancing worker productivity across various sectors. Now, let's move on to some exciting new AI tools and industry moves. NVIDIA and Mistral AI have launched the NeMo model, which boasts impressive performance in reasoning and coding accuracy. This model is a testament to the cutting-edge developments in AI technology. Meanwhile, Runway has introduced a groundbreaking image-to-video feature in its third generation. This tool is set to revolutionize the creative industries by providing more sophisticated and accessible AI-driven video creation capabilities. In another major move, SoftBank has acquired the British AI chipmaker Graphcore. This acquisition, valued at around $600 million, marks a significant consolidation in the AI hardware sector and highlights the strategic importance of AI infrastructure. Finally, let's discuss some regulatory challenges. Both Meta and Apple have decided not to launch their latest AI models in the European Union due to regulatory concerns. This move underscores the complex landscape of AI governance and the need for clear and supportive regulatory frameworks to foster innovation while ensuring safety and compliance. That's all for today's update on AI Today. We hope you found these insights informative and exciting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in AI. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.